Are you ready to transform your truck into the ultimate blend of style and functionality? Welcome to our deep dive into the best TRIFOLD tonneau cover on the market. In this video, we'll unveil the game-changing features that set this cover apart, enhancing your truck's appearance while providing unmatched protection for your cargo. Say goodbye to struggles with weather and theft, and hello to convenience and peace of mind. Join us as we explore the sleek design, durable materials, and easy installation that make this tonneau cover a must-have for every truck enthusiast. Buckle up, because you're about to discover why this is the top choice for truck owners everywhere. Don't miss out. Hit that play button now. Number 7. OEDRO TRIFOLD Truck Bed Soft Tonneau Cover is truly the best TRIFOLD tonneau cover for your Chevy Silverado 1500 or GMC Sierra 1500. This innovative cover, designed for the 2019 to 2025 new body style with a 5.8-foot fleet-side bed, excluding Carbon Pro bed, combines security, convenience, and sleek aesthetics. Crafted from heavy-duty double-layer PVC, it offers outstanding UV protection and durability, ensuring your cargo stays safe from the elements while enhancing your truck's appearance. Installation couldn't be easier, no extra tools or drilling required, thanks to the pre-assembled powder-coated rails and aluminum clamps. Plus, the tailgate lock transforms your truck bed into a secure storage space, keeping everything snowproof and dust-proof. With its aerodynamic design, the OEDRO tonneau cover also helps improve your gas mileage, making it a smart investment for any truck owner. Elevate your truck's utility and style with the OEDRO TRIFOLD tonneau cover today. Number 6. Gator ETX Soft TRIFOLD Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate choice for owners of 2019 to 2025 Chevy/GMC Silverado/Sierra with a 5 feet 10 inches bed. This cover is designed to fit seamlessly with multi-pro/flex tailgates, ensuring it's a perfect match for your truck's functionality. Installation is a breeze, taking just about 10 minutes with no tools required. Simply clamp the rails without drilling. Constructed from a heavy-duty aluminum frame and industrial-strength vinyl, it provides superior protection against rain, snow, and dust, keeping your cargo safe in all weather conditions. For easy access, the cover folds effortlessly towards the cab, securing in place with an integrated buckling system. With its stylish design and robust features, the Gator ETX TRIFOLD is undoubtedly the best TRIFOLD tonneau cover for truck enthusiasts looking for practicality and quality. Upgrade your truck today and experience the convenience and durability it offers. Number 5. Tiger Auto T3 Soft TRIFOLD Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate choice for your 2019 to 2025 Ram 1500 new body style with a 5 feet 7 inches, 67-inch bed. Recognized as the best TRIFOLD tonneau cover, it features a patented design crafted from heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl that ensures durability in any weather condition. The robust aluminum frames and stainless steel clamps contribute to its long-lasting performance while making installation a breeze with no drilling required. The pre-assembled horizontal crossbars provide support and conveniently fold up, granting you full access to your truck bed whenever needed. Suitable for models without the utility track system, this cover isn't compatible with 2019 to 2025 classic models, Ram box, or multi-function tailgates. Plus, you're backed by a limited lifetime warranty for U.S. customers. Enhance your truck's functionality and aesthetics with this premium tonneau cover from Tiger Auto. It's the perfect blend of style, convenience, and protection for all your hauling needs. Number 4. Rough Country Hard TRIFOLD Truck Bed Cover is an exceptional choice for your 2019 to 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 or GMC Sierra 1500. Designed for versatility, this cover provides full bed access, making it a breeze to load and unload your gear. Its robust aluminum construction, finished in a stylish matte black, ensures durability while resisting corrosion. Installation is a snap, thanks to the no-drill design and all necessary tools included. Plus, the thoughtful features like weather-resistant seals and integrated drainage tubes keep your cargo secure and dry. With the auto-latching design, you can feel confident in the security of your belongings. while the Quick Connect prop rods allow you to enjoy easy access at all times. Backed by Rough Country's reliable USA customer support and a limited 5-year replacement warranty, this cover truly stands out as a top choice for protection and practicality. Elevate your truck's functionality with this dependable tonneau cover. Number 3. XTWEX Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for your 2007 to 2025 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 with a 5.8-foot bed. This best-in-class trifold cover offers a sleek matte black finish, ensuring your truck not only looks stylish but also stands up to the elements with its high-strength fiberglass reinforced polymer construction, engineered for maximum protection. It features a robust honeycomb panel design that can bear up to 450 pounds while resisting corrosion, water, and snow. Installation is a breeze, no drilling or special tools required. Simply rotate the screws until aligned with your truck track. With its impressive compressive strength and resistance to impacts and scratches, this cover is as durable as it is functional. Plus, XTWEX stands behind their products with excellent customer service to ensure you get the support you need. For truck owners seeking quality, style, and practicality, the XTWEX Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover is undoubtedly the best choice. Number 2. Karmacar Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover. Designed specifically for the 2015 to 2024 Ford F-150 style-side 5.5-inch truck bed, this cover features a sleek, smooth exterior finish and a durable fiberglass reinforced top skin, ensuring it's resistant to dents, scratches, and UV damage. Installation is a breeze, no tools or drilling required. You can easily set it up in under 30 minutes, mounting it flush to your truck bed for a low-profile look. Not only does the Karmacar cover enhance your truck's aesthetic, but it also features a 3-panel hard folding design that allows for both front opening and rear fold-up access, complete with a bolt lock that matches your ignition key. With an exceptional customer service guarantee of 1 year, you can drive with confidence knowing this tonneau cover is built to last. The Karmacar Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover truly stands out as the best trifold tonneau cover for your Ford F-150, combining practicality with premium quality. Number 1. DNA Motoring Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover is an absolute game changer. Designed for 2004 to 2013 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 with a 5.3/4 bed. This cover offers a seamless fit and exceptional functionality. The durable combination of ABS plastic, rubber, fiberglass reinforced plastic, and aluminum makes it lightweight yet incredibly strong, supporting up to 369 pounds. Installation is a breeze with the included clamps and adjustable tension, saving you time and hassle. With a unique design that enhances aerodynamics, this cover not only improves your truck's speed, but also maximizes gas efficiency. Plus, the locking strap securely holds the cover in place while driving. You'll appreciate the rubberized edges that seal out dust and snow, ensuring your cargo stays protected in extreme weather. With its stylish bullfrog bump texture finish and double-layer PVC for UV protection, the DNA Motoring Cover offers both looks and longevity. Upgrade your truck experience today. In conclusion, the best trifold tonneau covers combine durability, easy installation, and stylish design to enhance your truck's functionality while protecting your cargo. Whether you're looking for weather resistance or improved fuel efficiency, there's a perfect option for you. We hope this guide helps you make an informed choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts below. Your support is greatly appreciated.